Hey everyone, welcome back. Crypto is taking a major hit right now. Bitcoin has dropped below $90,000, marking its lowest point in over 3 months and officially entering a technical bear market, down 20% from its all-time high. In traditional markets, a 20% drop signals a bear market, but in crypto, it's just another day. While Bitcoin is holding up relatively well, altcoins are seeing even worse losses. The sell-off is intensifying and fear is dominating the market. But before we panic, let's break down what's happening and why this could be an opportunity.
The crypto destruction here is mainly outside Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a relative outperformer, but it has also fallen to its lowest level in a couple of months.
Investor fears around Trump's tariffs and economic policies are adding to the uncertainty. Initially, many believed his policies would drive economic growth but could also be inflationary. However, the focus has now shifted. Growth concerns are outweighing inflation fears, leading to a sell-off in risk assets like crypto.
So that means that the consensus expectation that Trump's policies might be pro-growth, but maybe inflationary, so therefore there was a bit of an inflationary concern, have shifted to suddenly realizing, wait a sec, the first impact will be negative for growth, and that is dominating the inflation concern. If you've still got an inflation concern, it's stagnation, but suddenly growth is the worry, not inflation, and that will sustain for a few weeks, so yields got a chunk lower to go.
There's some good news in the midst of all this. The SEC has officially closed its investigation into Uniswap Labs. They initially issued a Wells notice, claiming Uniswap was operating an unregistered exchange and issuing securities. But as of yesterday, the case has been dropped with no enforcement action. This is a huge win for decentralized finance, DeFi, in the U.S. Following similar drops in investigations into Coinbase and Robinhood, this signals that DeFi could be gaining regulatory clarity. Right now, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is at 25, extreme fear. The last time we saw this level, Bitcoin was around $54,000 before rebounding. Historically, extreme fear has been a strong buying signal. Looking at the Relative Strength Index, RSI, on the daily chart, Bitcoin's RSI is at 30, meaning it's entering oversold territory. Could it drop further? Sure. But every time the RSI has hit these levels in the past, Bitcoin has seen a strong recovery. If you hold Ethereum, this update is for you. The Pectra upgrade is coming in April 2025, making Ethereum faster and cheaper. Transactions will be optimized with Verkle trees to lower costs. More flexible for users. You'll be able to pay gas fees with stablecoins, USDC, USDT, instead of just ETH. Institution ready. Staking limits will increase from 32 ETH to 2,048 ETH, allowing large-scale validators to participate. This upgrade will make Ethereum more scalable and attractive to institutional investors, who, by the way, have been quietly accumulating ETH. After last week's $1.5 billion hack, Bybit has fully replenished its reserves and is back to 100% solvency. On-chain data confirms the funds have been restored, with support from partners and whales. The company will soon publish an updated Proof of Reserves report to ensure transparency. In other ETF news, Nasdaq has filed to list Grayscale's Polkadot ETF, following their Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. This could be a major move toward institutional adoption of DOT. Grayscale is also working on ETFs for Solana, Litecoin, XRP, Dogecoin, and Cardano. Yes, the market is in panic mode, but history shows that extreme fear often leads to big opportunities. Keep an eye on key levels, especially with Ethereum's upgrade and growing institutional interest. Hit subscribe for daily updates and let me know in the comments.